Hey everyone, I'm excited to share that we just released our most advanced AI agent yet inside of Service Buddy. When we started the company, Service Buddy was mainly a CRM for flooring companies. Today it's become much more than that, now helping you actually do the work. Let me quickly show you what our new AI agent can do. So I'm going to ask it, how are sales trending this year? Buddy AI is now going to look across sales data, answer questions, generate graphs to help you actually visualize what's going on. You'll also be able to export this right from Service Buddy. Want to see sales by employee or by location? Just ask. You can also have it pull up monthly sales trends or quotes or any business-related logic that you're curious about. And Buddy AI can now help generate those answers in seconds. This gives flooring showrooms much better visibility into where the business stands and where you should spend your time. And this is really just the beginning. Soon, Buddy AI will be able to take action for you, texting customers, emailing designers, helping reorder products, and more. Check it out now and let us know what you think.